Bilberry, Vaccinium myrtillus, often known as European blueberry, is a perennial shrub closely related to the common blueberry. It has been celebrated for centuries for its tart and flavorful berries, as well as its numerous medicinal properties. We will cover the growth, habitat, identification, edible and medicinal uses, harvesting methods, and cautions associated with bilberry. Growth and habitat: bilberries thrive in the cool, temperate regions of Europe, North America, and Asia. They prefer acidic, well-drained soils and are commonly found in woodlands, heaths, and moorlands. The plant is low-growing, typically reaching heights of 6 to 18 inches, and spreads through rhizomes, forming dense mats that can cover large areas. Identification: bilberry shrubs are small with slender angular stems and small ovate leaves with finely serrated edges. In spring, the plant produces small, bell-shaped flowers that are pale pink or red. The berries, which ripen in late summer, are dark blue to almost black, with a slightly tart taste, distinguishing them from the sweeter common blueberries. Edible parts and uses. The berries are the most commonly consumed part of the bilberry plant. They can be eaten fresh, dried, or used in various culinary preparations, including jams, jellies, pies, and beverages. Besides their delightful flavor, bilberries are rich in vitamins C and E and antioxidants, making them a nutritious addition to the diet. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not designed to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare professional who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Bilberries are renowned for their medicinal properties, primarily attributed to their high content of anthocyanins. These compounds are potent antioxidants with numerous health benefits. Anti-inflammatory. Bilberries can reduce inflammation, helping manage conditions such as arthritis and autoimmune diseases. Diabetes management. They help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making them beneficial for diabetics. Improved vision. The anthocyanins in bilberries enhance night vision and overall eye health, reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Anti-cancer. Bilberries' antioxidant properties help protect cells from damage and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Liver and kidney health. They aid in detoxifying heavy metals and improving liver and kidney function. Heart health. Bilberries improve circulation, reduce blood pressure, and lower cholesterol levels, promoting cardiovascular health. Gastrointestinal problems. They can alleviate gastrointestinal issues such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and ulcers. Cognitive health. Bilberries may help protect against Alzheimer's disease and dementia due to their neuroprotective effects. Healthy gums. Regular consumption of bilberries promotes oral health and prevents gum diseases. How to harvest. Bilberries are typically harvested in late summer when the berries are fully ripe. To collect the berries, gently roll them between your fingers and thumb, being careful not to crush them. It is best to harvest in dry weather to prevent mold and rot. The leaves can also be collected and dried for use in teas, though they should be used sparingly and for short periods. Cautions. While bilberries are generally considered safe, they can interact with certain medications such as anticoagulants and aspirin. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, as well as diabetics, should consult a healthcare provider before using bilberries medicinally. The leaves, while beneficial, should only be used short-term to avoid potential toxicity. Bilberry is a versatile plant offering both culinary delights and numerous health benefits. Its tart berries are rich in nutrients and antioxidants, providing anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and heart-healthy properties, among others. However, caution is advised when using bilberry medicinally, especially for individuals on certain medications or with specific health conditions. Embracing the bilberry can enhance both your diet and health, making it a valuable addition to your natural medicine cabinet.